Good job, buddy. Nick. Hi. What do you have there, buddy? Oh, you see Frolics? Get him. Oh, get the bottle. Uh-oh. Get it. Get it, buddy. Oh, you can do it. I think we're going to have a tip over here. Yes, you did it. Get it. Get it, buddy. Look at that belly. He wants the dog. Here, bud. Put it a little closer. You get him? Good job. Yay! Nick, you got him. You got him. That's Frolics. Does he taste good? Yay! Good job. Kick, kick. What else can I pick up here? Good job, buddy. Uh-oh. Oh, man. Here we go again. Okay, say bye-bye. Nick. Bye-bye.